Might as well record this one too a little bit.
Oh, are you recording?
Oh yeah, I'll record about every game.
Oh, okay. Cool. What are you posting online?
YouTube, yeah.
Oh, cool.
I don't have very many followers yet, but I'm getting there.
Cool. Blake's gonna start doing YouTube videos for beer.
For beer?
Yep.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't blame you. Honestly, dude, saying this, the drunk ones are actually the ones that have more views.
No, I'm talking about making beer, dude.
Oh, I gotcha.
Not getting drunk and let's play some shit.
Yeah. Right? By the way, I'm totally asking for one of those for Christmas because I want to try it myself.
Send me a shipping label.
Send you a shipping label? Alright.
Can
What
you
does it
ship
take?
beer?
Yeah, you can ship beer.
Oh, okay.
What does it take to get started in this shit?
About 300 to 500.
Ain't too bad.
And a
Yeah,
lot of cleaning.
all the time.
All the time.
Yeah, no, you cut out real bad. What?
But a lot of cleaning all the time.
Yeah, keeping everything clean.
Oh yeah, it's a pain in the ass.
So what's your favorite one?
I like the raspberry one. That one's pretty good.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's not beer, it's tea. It's like Arnold Palmer tea and shit like that.
I'm okay with that.
Girly, but it's fucking bomb.
Not girly. It's like twisted tea. You drink twisted tea, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
fucking- Yeah. Shit, Marshall twisted tea and chives.
I know, right?
I think the Bogue went for a fighter support squadron loadout this time.
Did I
can
see it?
Keep your torpedo bombers and shit over the top of us if you can.
I have
And
something doing.
I'm gonna say, and we'll provide you air cover to keep those fighters off of them.
Just trying to draw them in right now.
Oh yeah, I killed the fucking mountain. Oh, well, you got something.
Damn, dude, your fighters are fucking them up.
It's because they're on steroids.
Your fighters all roid raged out.
They're like, come on, gains.
I don't want to send out my torpedo bombers alone.
No, don't. It looks like they're headed. That New Mexico's headed that way.
I think he's sending them back to base. Trying to draw them in, but not taking the bait. Just be smart.
That, destroyer?
No, the airplanes.
There's the carrier. Let's get him, dude. Let's get him.
Alright.
Go. I'm gonna attack these planes
Oh
now.
shit, he went the complete wrong way. He's like way open.
Alright, I'm gonna take out
down
this
to-
cruiser. Yeah, I took out one set of fighters.
I just nailed him for 10K. Okay, there's a Mutsuki.
Cruiser on your guys' ass.
Oh, I see him.
I'm turning right now, especially because there's a Mutsuki over here. I'm gonna kill this Königsberg.
Let's see.
No, he's gonna dodge it.
Oh, damn it. He barely dodged
I
that.
killed
There you go. Okay, I'm firing on the New Mexico. Blake, head our way. Blake, head our way, man.
Dude, I'm out of bombers.
No, I mean, send your carrier our way.
Yeah, he's already headed that way. He's on autopilot.
Okay. Just nailed New Mexico for 5K.
I got him.
There's a couple big bad battleships headed your other way. As soon as I get around this island, I'm gonna kill this Omaha.
Alright, I'm full speed headed towards you guys, but I'm gonna probably take out this New Mexico before I just give you guys any more support.
Confirmed penetration.
There we go. Destroyer. It's a Genevi. So don't let him get within like 5 kilometers, or is it 4 kilometers? I can't remember what the upgraded torpedo is on that thing.
New Mexico's stuck.
See that? I got torque bombers headed towards them, but they still have to take off. They're on the way. They're about 15 seconds out.
I loaded HE for this destroyer.
Okay.
Yeah, this New Mexico is about to get fucked up.
Yep, you fucked up. Running into the island. He was so focused on me. Send forward again. I just want to citadel him.
I'm headed back your way. I'd go ahead and flip a bitch, Blake, and not Blake, but Abe.
Yeah, I'm turning around.
Reloading AP.
Dropping torps.
I'm watching them. They armed.
Boom.
Bam.
Oh, he barely dodged the second one. He's flooding.
Nice. Turning all my shirts around. Turning my shit
Alright.
around.
We got a destroyer headed up that way too, Abe. No, yeah, Abe.
God damn it,
Which
this
one?
guy's about
Over
to
here?
collide with me. What the fuck?
I don't see why people are fucking
How is he
doing this.
colliding with me right now? Are you fucking retarded? I'm not even driving.
Is there...
I'm about to shot on autopilot.
Does he have enough fucking... Is there enough C for him? Jesus. I'm getting pissed off at these fucking... kids just running into each other.
I think they're bots, dude.
I don't think
Oh,
they're
fuck
bots.
yeah, dude. I killed that dude by flooding.
Sweet.
Nice.
Let's go ahead and head middle, Blake. Not Blake, but
There's
Abe.
ooh.
The
Okay,
Genevi.
I'm gonna torp that destroyer, cause that dude'll fuck me up, so. Way too close for comfort right now.
Understandable, man. Understandable.
Our victory is in sight.
Fast, they're hard to hit, though.
That Miyoko should be able to
Yeah,
kill
they
him,
are.
no issue.
Dude, they're extremely hard to hit with torpedo bombers.
The destroyer? Oh, fuck yeah. The way it's been described, like I said, the way it's been described is, if you can torpedo a destroyer, the destroyer's doing something wrong.
What the fuck is going on the other side of the map, too? Huh? His name is President Bacon. Very cool. President Bacon is not cool.
Okay, destroyer's dead.
Well, we don't have enough time to go all the way to the
No, we don't.
ship, so.
We don't. I'm just gonna hang over here with Blake.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over here and run into Blake for a little while, piss him off again.
Yeah.
Hey, Blake, why are you running the ground, bro?
I feel like it.
Gotcha.
So, like a 180. Let's see. Oh yeah. What's up, big bitch? Watch both those people without die.
Right,
I'd be
right.
like, are you serious?
There's one of them dead.
Oh jeez.
I have planes headed that way in 2 seconds, but by the time I get over there, I'll probably be dead.
Maybe not, dude. He already killed one of them.
I can't see his health.
I can't
He's
either.
using the wall glitch.
But they fixed that. If you hit the wall now, it takes
No.
away over 75% of your horsepower of your
No,
engine.
50%.
Is it 50? I thought it was 75.
Yeah, it's 50%, but you can still do it. He's
You
dead.
can drift on it.
He's got 2,400 health and he's floating and on fire.
Oh, nice.
And if you're on the wall, you can't get hit by torpedo bombers. They can't like
Our
zoom in
victory
on
is
you,
in sight.
so they have to use a wider spread. It's bullshit.
Yeah, got
I didn't do that very good that game.